So, guys, first of all, round of applause for this Jodi. Hi, guys, cheers. I am Stuti and I welcome you all to my channel Cheer Mantra. And today we are going to review Raat Akeli Hai, starring Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Radhika Apte, Tigmanshu Dhulia, and Shweta Tripathi. So, stay tuned. So guys, I have done a reaction on its trailer itself, and in case if you want to view its trailer reaction, so here's the link on top of this screen. You can check it out if you in case you want it. So guys, as you guys know, after viewing the trailer, I was very much interested in this movie because of this cast: Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Tigmanshu Dhulia, Radhika Apte, Shweta Tripathi, and I just wanted to see the chemistry between Tigmanshu Dhulia and Nawazuddin Siddiqui after Gangs of Wasseypur 2. So I was very much excited and pampered to see this movie. And this movie has been dropped today on Netflix, and I've just finished this. And here's my review, and don't worry, it will be a spoiler free review, and I will try to give you as much information as you need to make up your mind to view this movie or not, but without giving you any spoilers. If we talk about the background of the story, it is a murder mystery drama movie, and it revolves around a murder of a big landlord and a cop who investigates this crime. This cop role has been played by Nawazuddin Siddiqui, named Jatil Yadav, and when he enters into the case and start investigating, and he realizes that there are layers and layers and secrets behind the walls. So that's the story, and ultimately you get to know what's it all about. So I would like to say that I have kept my expectations really high with this movie because of the cast and everything. So I was really very happy with the starting of the movie, because as soon as the first scene come, it is very interesting and exciting and thrilling. So suspense and mystery starts from there itself. I found this movie quite engaging, especially the first half. First half was really good and quick, and you keep on thinking that what has happened, what could have happened, and it will keep you on your toes. But however, the second part, I'll say some time and some parts are little feel dragged out. One or two songs are also there which I thought it was unnecessarily placed there. So there I would say a little bit, they could have saved 10 to 15 minutes, I would say, for sure. But overall the movie was good, and there was a good some of the characters I liked, especially Ila Arun's character. She perfectly played a Indian mom who is worried about his elderly son who's being not getting married. So that was really good and fun, and she portrayed the Indian mom's character really very greatly. Also, I was expecting some of the characters to perform over the board, which I couldn't see because maybe the story was not that demanding. Especially Shweta Tripathi, there was not much to her to do in this movie. I Otherwise we know that she is a great actress. Also Tigmanshu Dhulia, मतलब मैं इतनी ज़्यादा excited थी, बट एक आध जगह छोड़ के मुझे उनका काम देखने का मौका ही नहीं मिला। बहुत कम टाइम था उनको स्क्रीन प्ले जो दिया गया। सो मैं वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा डिसअपॉइंट हुई ऑब्वियसली। मैं इन दोनों के बीच में कुछ तो बहुत अच्छा नोक-झोंक एंड बहुत अच्छा कॉन्वर्सेशन देखना चाहती थी, बट वो भी मुझे देखने को नहीं मिला, तो मुझे थोड़ा सा उससे अपसेट है। बट राधिका आप्टे's एक्टिंग इज़ एज़ यूजुअल ऑन द पॉइंट, ओवर द टॉप, बहुत अच्छी थी। एंड जटिल यादव, इफ आई से एक्टिंग तो कभी नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी की खराब नहीं हो सकती, वो बहुत अच्छी एक्टिंग करते हैं, बट इस मूवी में उनको स्केल और वो उस तरह की एक्टिंग करने का स्कोप नहीं मिला, शायद स्टोरी नहीं थी। हर कोई मूवी मांझी और रमन राघव 2 नहीं हो सकती। सो हाँ, वो एक अच्छा डिसेंट रोल था, उन्होंने डिसेंट अच्छी एक्टिंग करी, बट वही अगर आप कुछ वैसा सोच रहे हैं तो वैसा कुछ नहीं है मूवी में। अगर आप ओवर द टॉप कुछ एक्टिंग एंड कुछ ऐसा सिचुएशन सोच रहे हैं तो देयर इज नो। One more point worth mentioning, I think a lot of people may not be noticing it, but I noticed that even if you are a man, no matter you are a woman, still society will judge you on certain norms. For example, color of your skin. So ये भी दिखाया गया है कि वो अपनी मदर के सामने बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड प्ले करता है, बट वो अकेले में छुप के वाइटनिंग क्रीम लगाता है, so that he should not be judged in front of other people. So ये भी दिखाई गई है कि even if you are settled and doing good in your life, but you still have your insecurities in your in you, and that has been brought by certain society pressure, which should not be there. So I thought worth mentioning it, so I mentioned. So guys, in my view, this movie is definitely a worth watch, and it will not waste your time, and you can give it a shot this weekend for sure. And but make sure that you don't keep your expectations too much high from the performance point of view. But however, it will keep you engaging, it will give you good mystery drama and all. So guys, this was my review for Raat Akeli Hai, and if you like my video, please like and subscribe, and put your comments below, and please suggest me what else I can review, and I will definitely going to consider it. So guys, this was for today. Bye, cheers.